Good morning everyone, this is Coach Carlos ng Tigers Basketball at syempre simula ng ating summer camp. Ito naman si Coach Russell, isang NBA skills trainer. Nagtuturo ng kahit panibagong skills para sa ating kabataan. Ito ang ganda ng galaw niyan, panoorin natin at syempre watch and learn everyone.
Alam. Hindi kasi nakikinig eh. Manood ka kay Coach. Manood ka kay Coach.
Ito mo.
Bang! Yan. Huwag mo lang titira. Focus na kay Coach. Wala mo lang sunod dito lang.
1, 2. 1, 2.
Baka may paa mo ka rin. Right.
Better. Better. Better.
Go!
Uy! Yan!
Better. Good. Down. Here. Do it like this. Too little.
Pasa-pasin dyan. Isin mo.
Okay. Go like this. Good. When you're like this, I can push you. Go like this. I can't push you. Go wide.
Wide,
Throw.
go.
Boom. Then I come up to shoot.
Malambot eh.
The same.
Malambot. Satan, pag umangat, malambot. Kita ko dito.
Laki. Oo, nakatipid.
Okay, better. Come on.
Go, Riley. Paski na. Go.
Ayun.
Hindi naman sabay eh.
Buka mo, buka.
Huwag mo na. Kanina ka pa dyan, Riley. Hindi pa nakuha.
Ganun talaga, coach.
Watch my feet. When I'm here and I'm going this way, my left leg goes behind. Boom. My left leg goes behind. My right leg goes forward. The whole thing's here. 1, 2. Come up to shoot. Left leg.